Well, we have the iPhone 14 here. Bada bing, bada boom. So we're gonna do the unboxing and see how it looks. I think I got the gold version. That's very satisfying. Well, first impression is, for some reason, here in the United States, this speaks luxury for some reason. And every time there's an iPhone, it just looks so good. I mean, even the packaging is just amazing. Look at that. Everything just feels very premium. Not that the S23 doesn't feel premium. It does feel premium. But I'm talking about from the packaging. The S23 came in a packaging, but it wasn't anything like this. It was just a black box. And look at all that. It's just, wow. I already ordered a case for it, so everything, and the cameras are so big compared to the S23. Look at that. First impressions are just wow. I mean, wow. You can't go wrong with either phone, to be honest with you. I have been loving the experience on the S23. I've been loving it. Right, we're gonna do a little speed test here in a second, because I know that's what you guys came here for. But we're unboxing it and we are setting it up. This is gonna be my new daily, and I've been using an 11 Pro. I used to have a 13, gave it to my wife because she really needed an upgrade. She was using the 11 Pro. I'm using the 11 Pro now. Just upgraded to this baby right here. And look at that. That just looks, I was just speechless. Really speechless. But don't get me wrong. This almost, I was telling the guy at the Apple store, this almost made me switch. Because it's so good. The multitasking, the S Pen. I don't really use the S Pen, but everything about this phone is just premium. The zoom is fantastic. We're going to be testing the phones. We're going to battle them out to see which one has the best zoom. For this video, we're just going to test the speed and see how fast every app opens and things of that nature. And we're going to, click on some games, see how fast they open, their operating system apps as well, like the phone, things like that, calendar, browser, see how fast things load up in each phone. And but I just wanted to do the unboxing real quick before I set up the phone. And also, now that I have these two together, I'm going to be testing the social media apps, and I'm going to test them side by side. This review will show you guys what iOS can do on social media and why many people choose it. If you haven't seen the review on this one on social media, go ahead and check that video out. It's very informative. It tells you exactly what you can expect from this phone. I am working on part 2. Part 2 is going to come out before I test both of them together side by side. And then I'm also going to be making a video how this performs, just the camera itself, no social media, anything of that nature, just the phone, the native camera phone app, and I'm going to be testing on how good this performs on vlogging for content creators, for anybody that already has this phone and want to start YouTube or things of that nature. If they want to film something, I'm going to be testing this out. Portrait mode, all the modes we're going to be getting into. But without further ado, let's go ahead and test both of these phones, see which one loads apps a little faster, if there's any hiccups, if there's anything that I can get on screen. But let's go ahead and get to that test and see how this performs. Well, thank you guys for watching that video, the speed test, to give you guys a little bit of an idea of, you know, what both phones can do, how they perform with the Snapdragon on here and with the Bionic on here. They both have very advanced chips, and the multitasking and opening apps is just seamless on both of them. But make sure you tune in, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you tune in on part 2 social media for this phone, and then for the all-around camera video review. And then stay tuned for both of these that go head to head. This is the best Android phone that I've had in my hands. I love the Google Pixel 7, but the camera on there, especially the front facing, is not the best. So I'm gonna go with this one against this iPhone 14 Pro, which is the best of the best. We'll see how this performs, and we'll see you guys in the next video.